Hi everyone, and welcome back to Battle of the Stitches. If you're new here, Battle of the Stitches is a crochet collaboration that happens every Wednesday, where multiple creators design using the same stitch, and we all make something completely different. This month's stitch was the turtle stitch, and today is finally the full reveal. And this is what I made using the turtle stitch. Isn't he adorable? I couldn't resist. Of course, I had to make a turtle, and I haven't made an amigurumi in a while. I used to make them all the time, and I haven't made one in a while. So I was really excited to work this up. I used the turtle stitch on the shell part, and then on the bottom, it was just single crochets. Same with the arms and the head. Below the video, you'll find a link to all of the participants in this month's Battle of the Stitches. Make sure you check out every creator. Now comes the fun part, voting. I've posted a voting poll where you can go and vote for your favorite project from all of the creators this month. So make sure you check out all of the creators. After you vote, if you would like to be part of the giveaway, you need to comment under the voting poll. Because if you just vote, all we see are numbers. We don't know who voted. They don't tell us who voted. But if you comment below, even if it's just a simple one word, I vote, well, that would be 2 words. Even if it's just a simple voted, that's fine. That will enter you into a drawing for a giveaway. And the giveaway will be one of the 4 projects. Next Wednesday, instead of my normal Battle of the Stitches video, I'll be part of a live on Teresa from Critters Crochet channel along with the other participants. During the live, we will reveal which project got the most votes, and then we will have everybody who posted a comment in one of those spinny wheels, and we will have the spinny wheel randomly choose one of you to win a prize, and the prize would be that you get to pick which one of our projects you'd like. If you liked my turtle the best, you could say that and I would send it to you. If you liked one of the other participants' projects better, you get in touch with them and they will send their project to you. Thank you so much for supporting Battle of the Stitches and being such an amazing crochet community. Don't forget to check out our other creators. Go and vote on the voting poll, and then leave a comment to be entered into the giveaway drawing. I will see you guys all next week in the live stream on Teresa from Critters Crochet's channel. Thanks for watching.